Hello cuties, today we are going to write cursive letters. Okay cuties, today we are going to write cursive letters, capital letter B and small letter B. Okay, already we studied how to write capital A and small a. Today we are going to write capital B and small b. Okay, shall we write now? Step by step we are going to write, so you have to listen. Okay cuties, see here. First you have to put a slanting line like this. From the red line it should start. Okay cuties, from the red line it should start and you have to put a slanting line like this. Okay cuties, this is the first step. Okay, see here, like this you have to write. Okay, first you have to put a slanting line. Okay cuties, in next step you have to write like this. First you have to put slanting line like this, you have to put here. Okay, and then from here you should start like this. Okay, shall we write again? Slanting line, next step is, see here, first slanting line and then like this you have to put a curve and then it should join in the second line. Okay, shall we write again? Slanting line, what letter we are going to write? Capital letter B. What letter we are going to write? Capital letter B. Okay, this step by step we are going to write. Okay cuties, step by step நம்ம வந்துட்டு எழுதுறோம். சரிங்களா? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒரு slanting line போடணும், அதுக்கப்புறமா slanting line போட்டுட்டு இப்படி ஒரு curve போடணும். சரிங்களா? Next you have to write slanting line, curve and then you have to join in the second line. Okay, last step is slanting line and then curve like this you have to write and then again you have to write like this. Okay, see here, you have to write like this. You should not join. நீங்கள் வந்துட்டு இந்த இடத்துல ஜாயின் பண்ணுவீங்க நார்மலாக கேபிட்டல் லெட்டர்ஸ் எழுதும்போது, இதில் கர்சிவ் லெட்டர்ஸில் வந்துட்டு ஜாயின் பண்ணக்கூடாது. இந்த மாதிரி இங்கே கர்வ் மாதிரி போகணும். சரிங்களா குட்டீஸ்? see again, ma'am is writing first slanting line, go and then join the second line and then third line you have to join, but it should not join to that line. It should come like this. Okay cuties, capital B, capital letter B in cursive letters. Okay, this is capital B. Okay cuties, next we are going to write small letter B. Okay, shall we write the small letter B now? For small letter B you have to put a slanting line like this. Okay, from down to up it should go. Okay, for capital letter we wrote up to down, but in small letter it should go down to up. Okay, shall we write again? Like this you have to put slanting line down to up. Okay, this three line it should touch. It should touch this three lines. Okay, 1 2 and 3 lines it should touch. From down to up it should go. Okay, and in next step, see here, you have to write like this. Okay, first you have to write like this slanting line. Okay, and then you have to put a standing line. Line should be standing straight. Okay, see here how ma'am is writing, you have to see, then only it will memorize in your mind. Okay cuties, standing line. Okay, like this you have to write, and in next step you have to write slanting line and then standing line, and from here it should come like this. Okay, shall we write again? Slanting line, standing line, and then it should come like this. Okay, Okay cuties, in fourth step we are going to complete the small letter B. Slanting line, and then like this you have to write, and here you should put a circle, small circle. Okay, and then the line should come out. Okay cuties, small b எப்படி எழுதணும்னு பாருங்க, நல்லா கவனிங்க குட்டீஸ். ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஸ்லாண்டிங் லைன் போடணும், அதுக்கப்புறம் இங்கேருந்து இப்படி கர்வ் மாதிரி வந்து அதுக்கப்புறமா ஸ்டாண்டிங் லைன் போடணும். சரிங்களா, அதுக்கப்புறமா இப்படி யூ மாதிரி போடணும். சரிங்களா, போட்டுட்டு இங்கே வந்துட்டு ஒரு சின்னதாக ஒரு சர்க்கிள் போட்டுட்டு அந்த சர்க்கிள்லேருந்து வெளியே போகணும். ஓகேங்களா, திஸ் இஸ் ஸ்மால் லெட்டர் பி. வாட் லெட்டர் இஸ் திஸ்? Small letter B. Like this you have to write. Okay cuties, this is your homework today. Okay, capital letter B and small letter B in cursive letters we are going to write. Okay, all should write and show to map. Okay cuties, already we studied capital A and small a. Today we are going to practice capital B and small b. Okay cuties, it is very useful for you in while you are going for higher studies. Okay, okay cuties, bye.